Oh,
But I'm warning you, you're not supposed to tell this to a soul.
How was your paper and कैसा था? हम लोग एक दूसरे के पास जाते थे and used to just be like, Katie?
And teacher की बात कौन सुनता है?
Exactly.
Someone explaining
You
it
the
to
don't say. You the don't say. Okay.
That final smell of success when that one auto bhaiya is like, I'll take you to your destination.
तुझे मैं लेके जाऊंगा. That is the first and the only time I've ever ghosted anyone.
Hold on. He said he likes you. I said, yeah. I said, thank you. I mean, I also don't support it, guys. It's not the right thing to do.
But you do it. हाँ, मैं वैसे actually ऐसे करके बात करती हूँ.
फिर से कर एक बार, फिर से कर.
ऐसे करके बात करती हूँ.
क्या?
ऐसे करके, ऐसे.
I'm just trying to make your case.
Once you go black, you never go back.
Nice one.
Because you end up in a wheelchair.
What? What? I don't think that makes any sense, but okay. For the ones who understood that, I'm judging you.
She understood it now. What? We got our promo. Perfect. Hi guys, I am Sonal Sharma
And I'm Shreya Shankar.
and welcome to the
To
Long Lost Sisters
Sisters
Pod.
Pod.
First of all, you look gorgeous, just like you did when I saw you in college. What? I'm just trying to build up
the tension,
Stop.
releasing the tension.
yeah, like this is what I do, you know, to
This
ease
is what
myself.
happens when friends compliment you. What? You're in shock first.
I
You can't-
always compliment you, bitch. I always compliment you. इसमें कोई नई बात क्या है?
हाँ, no, I agree. I also compliment you.
You do. We have video proof of that. So this is our college episode, and I mean, I can't believe it. I have known you since we were in college.
Yes.
And I really want to know, did the DU cutoff make you leave home?
Yeah, man. I mean, if you're really going back there to DU, I desperately wanted to stay in Delhi. I remember I wanted to go to DU. I didn't even want to go to any other college in any other state, city, country, whatever. And but I think our papers were really hard. And
That's
हमारे-
That's what you want to go with, yes.
No, bhai. You know what? I took out newspaper cutouts. I remember I still have that diary where I've cut out math exam, kids failing, science. मैंने तो science लिया नहीं, but I still kept that just for facts. And
But I think they do that every year to like scare people.
so my cutoffs of DO also didn't help, and nor did my percentage.
Yeah.
और मुझे चाहिए भी थी इको ऑनर्स एंड बीकॉम ऑनर्स जिसमें कट ऑफ डूड द कट ऑफ फॉर इको ऑनर्स वाज 100.4 किसको आएंगे 100
What is 100.4?
So you get best of 4 के you usually in DU you use best of 4 तो best of 4 में अगर पता नहीं कैसे किसी बच्चे के 100.4 आ ही नहीं सकते
How is that even possible if 100 is like maximum? and how
exactly
you-
what we used to argue about वो न्यूज़पेपर में यही आया था
It
That's
is
why I
like
kept the
bad
cut.
journalism.
Yeah,
I think.
exactly. So anyway, my best of 4 was 90.4 तो फर्स्ट लिस्ट में तो
बस 10 marks कम थे.
10 marks 10 percentage
10% कम थे.
अभी
but
तभी मैथ्स में
That's why. But I got more than you in maths in like boths.
How much did you get?
I got about like 76 or something.
Ooh, nice. I got 52.
Exactly. See?
But that was the only subject. बाकी सब में मेरे 90s में तब जाके मेरा percentage ना drop हो गया था. So yeah, sadly.
Yeah, you don't have to justify it now. It's done.
So I remember after that, we didn't even check. At that point, I didn't even check that there are more lists of DU coming out. First list में नहीं आया. I'm like छोड़ यार बहुत मुश्किल है. And my mom was after me to give this entrance of NMIMS, and I was like, please उसमें अब फिर math आएगा, फिर ये सब करना पड़ेगा. I don't want to give. But then I gave it, and I didn't. I tried really hard not to let her know कि कब मिल रहा है mail हम लोगों को. But she checked my email, and then she realized. She only forced me. Last day पे I checked, and then I didn't expect that I would get in because it was so hard.
Yeah.
But then I did get in, and my parents were like, बेटा merit पे हो गया बहुत अच्छी बात है. But I think that was out of smartness. मैं negative marking थी तो मैंने answer किए ही नहीं बहुत questions जो नहीं आते थे. So that
So
was
like
only
that
because
worked.
my smartness
Negative.
worked.
Nice.
Then I went to NMIMS. I met you over there.
I was there.
Yeah, I thought we'll get this huge big campus of all of these
Oh
you know
my
grounds
God.
and everything.
And what did we get? one floor. Literally, our entire campus was one
Our
floor.
canteen was also some other colleges' canteen.
Exactly. We used to go upstairs to the 8th floor to have dahi papri chaat for
And
lunch.
Maggie.
And Maggie. So that was our campus.
I smell.
Lucky us.
So I've realized sooner that you also didn't want to go to DU. Like,
Yeah, I mean that's exactly. I was not
yeah.
into DU.
Yeah, that's what we say.
That was the problem. I was not into it. Clearly, my marks would not have allowed me to get into DU at all. Like the thing is, to an extent, I was not even. Of course, you're always hoping, कि, yeah, you will get into DU or
Yeah.
something. But like, I was quite sure कि DU में तो नहीं होगा. So I had given all comparative exams, NMIMS, Symbiosis, some law, SCAT and all, everything.
Yeah.
But I wanted to go to Symbiosis Pune because a lot of people from my school
Yeah.
would go to Symbiosis Pune. But before I got through Symbiosis Pune, I got through NMIMS Mumbai. And I was just like, I'm like still like, unsure, should I go to Symbiosis?
Yeah.
Like, should I wait or should I just go to NMIMS? And again, my parents were like, ho gaya hai. So let's do it. Like, just do it. So another reason why I thought Mumbai would be a good option rather than just waiting for Symbiosis Pune, apart from my parents telling me to do so, was this one time.
What was my parents telling me?
There was this one time, my friends would always come to my house for night stays, right? And what we would do is in the night we would open Omegle and like chat with people, right?
Omegle.
And we came across this guy, okay, on Omegle, and he was from Mumbai, and he seemed very nice and very like soft spoken, and we were like, okay, he's nice, and we chatted with him or whatever. We had had a nice chat, and he said Mumbai is a chill place to like be in, chill place to go to college, and you should come. And that's what it was, because this conversation happened like 2-3 months before I even got through NMIMS.
Oh,
So
okay.
this chat ended there.
Yeah.
And that's what happened, right? And now, like, I've chosen to go to Mumbai, and I am an NMIMS. Like, now a year or two has passed, and I get a message from this guy. He has looked for me on Instagram, like some Sonal Sharma he's looked for. Like, finally he's found me and he's messaged me. He's like, hey, you're that Sonal, right? I was like, oh my God, first of all, he remembers. Because, like, I had, like, forgotten, right? And he's like, okay, you want to, get coffee or something? I was like, okay. let's like, he was sweet enough, so let's have some coffee, okay? And I have gone there and we've had coffee, and after that I've been so bored by this man. Like, this man have like literally like no interest in chatting with him
Was
anymore.
he a Mumbai boy?
He was.
Oh.
And he was in Mumbai by himself. Now you get it. You shouldn't say that.
Oh, who cares?
Who cares?
Achha,
You should say that. You
Oh,
should
shit.
say that. So whatever. Okay. And I've come back, and this guy has written me like this big paragraph of like how fun it was and stuff. And this is the first time ever I have done this, and I did not even reply to it. I was like, I completely ghosted this guy. I'm like, I am just not interested because he's so boring, and like I'm just not doing it. But I do not support it. I do not support ghosting. Like, I feel embarrassed.
That's the first time you ghosted, or you're saying that's the only time you ghosted?
That is the first and the only time I've ever ghosted anyone, because I do not support it. In fact, I feel embarrassed to have done that.
Yeah.
So wherever you are,
It is.
if you understand who you are, I am sorry.
Bhai,
And now,
ऐसे तो मैं कितनी sorry बोलूँ.
why? How many people have you ghosted?
I don't remember now. Half the time, I mean, I also don't support it, guys. It's not the right thing to do.
But you do it.
But I'm guilty. I have probably ghosted. Yeah, but
How many?
But एक second.
What's the body count? What's the body count?
No, not like that. I ghost friends. I ghost family. I mean, I forget to reply.
Right.
So half the times it's looked at as ghosting. And guys, please, कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं यार. Some people do forget to reply.
Yeah, I mean, ghosting as like not replying to someone for some time is fine, but
Yeah.
ghosting as like someone who's expecting you to reply.
See, now that person expecting.
Yeah.
If you've ghosted, you've forgotten for 6 months.
Yeah.
And then what's the point now? So no point of saying sorry now.
Yeah, now
also.
now the time's
तो वो
gone.
ghosting हो गई ना पूरी तो.
Yeah. But I think you need to learn from your
Yeah,
mistakes.
So guys, you guys tell me, do you Do you like letting people down easy or do you forget?
Basically ghost.
Yeah.
Like we want to know if there are like more people who support ghosting. or-
Yeah, and if forgetting to reply is a real thing or not.
I don't think it's a nice thing to do. I think we shouldn't go. At
Big
least
moral
like a courtesy message saying that I'm sorry, but
Honey,
whatever.
wo I do.
You are liar.
For
You're
work,
lying.
for work.
But you know, Shreya, we're not talking about work here.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, moving on.
Moving on.
But I would just, for the people who get ghosted or forgotten, I just want to say if you want to learn how to deal with rejection, come to Bombay and deal with auto wala bhaiyas. I feel the minute I moved here in Bombay, dude, the kind of failure that I've seen.
Actually, you know, Bombay has shown me also a lot
I
of
swear-
rejection.
I swear, the line of autos rejecting you one after the other, and it doesn't happen one day. It's happening. It's been 10 years. It still happens with me. And then that final smell of success when that one auto bhaiya is like, "I'll take you to your destination."
तुझे मैं लेके जाऊंगा.
that has actually built my character in Bombay. But
Very nice.
these experiences हमें दिल्ली में कहाँ मिलते थे? First of all, we would never use autos.
मीटर पे
but-
चलते ही नहीं वहाँ ऑटोज. वहाँ पे you have to
Yeah.
have a set price and then everyone has their own attitude. अरे दिल्ली है, सब अपने चौड़ में ही रहते हैं वहाँ पे. But you know, like apart from that, like there's a difference in Bombay and Delhi, which is, I remember when I was in Delhi, I was whatever 17, 18,
Yeah.
whatever age, right? And I would go out with my friends and I would want to chill with them or whatever, and I would have to come back home by 8 p.m. If I'm not back home by 8 p.m.,
Obviously.
it is a problem with my parents. Like
Yeah.
we are having a talk. Or if 9 is what I could push
Yeah.
to, because क्योंकि अगर आप on the way और अगर 9 बज गए तो ठीक है चलेगा.
हाँ. Dude, now also I feel it's the same. 10 बजे तक
अभी भी, in fact, अभी भी दिल्ली में, I now start feeling awkward because even in residential areas, like it gets really quiet.
Yeah.
So you're like, okay, now I better be home. You know, now you become your own mom. It used to be mom earlier, but now you have become my own. Whereas, you know, the same thing. Like when I moved to Bombay for college, I would go out with my friends and पहली बात तो मुझे फैक्स कराने पड़ता था अपना पास because I used to live in a hostel.
Oh God,
तो मेरे
yeah.
पापा को भेजना पड़ता था and my dad was always reluctant. He was never wanted to give. So but like when I would convince him by crying,
Yeah.
he would send
Crying.
he would send a pass like for me to go out,
Yeah.
and then I would go out and then we would come back home to another friend's like house around like 12 or 1, sometimes even 2, and I would tell my parents that okay, this is when I've come back, and surprisingly they would be very chill about it because they knew we were in groups and like we are
Yeah.
fine. But in Bombay, like once
Yeah.
they had come down, they'd seen Bombay, they were like कि ठीक है 2 बज भी गए 2 a.m.
Yeah.
1 a.m.
हाँ,
it's
हाँ.
fine.
Yeah.
But same thing in Delhi.
Oh no.
It is
You
just
can't.
not
Yeah.
possible. Just not
at
possible.
all. This, I think the same thing happened with me. Once I remember our college, I used to stay first year in the hostel, which was barely walking 200 meters from college.
Yeah.
So मैं library से around 10:30 I must be walking, going out. I was studying there. I'm going back to my hostel. I call my mom that now I'm going back to my hostel to sleep. She's like, "You're on the street right now? Have you seen the time? It's 10:30." I'm like, "Mama, यहाँ सब उठे हुए हैं."
I know. वहाँ ट्रैफिक लग रहा है.
यहाँ कुछ नहीं लग रहा है 10:30 and then finally they also understood when they came down and they saw कि यार तो at any hour it's so lively and it's so happening.
Yeah.
And it's also very safe. Like I feel so much so that one time we went to Colaba, all of us, like a huge group of us, we went to Colaba कि आज हम town side जाते हैं and we'll just have fun there. In the
Yeah.
evening we went after classes and then so अब लेट हो गया है, काफ़ी लेट हो गया है and local अब बंद हो गई है जाना, 12 बजे से ज़्यादा हो गई है, whatever 1:40 की रात लोग whatever, I don't know, we didn't even check. And then we're like यार अब हमें we don't want to give काली पीली को 800 रुपये नहीं देने हमें,
Right.
तो अब हम वेट करते हैं. हम मरीन ड्राइव पे चिल कर रहे थे सुबह 5 o'clock तक.
Wow.
We've been playing games, we're walking around, बीच में पुलिस वाले आए चेक पे. अभी तो बहुत ख़राब हो गया. At that time it used to be really easy and chill. So they came, we went to Trident, then came back.
To pee.
Yeah.
Trident to pee.
Then came back, we're chilling there, and then Then we caught the first local out, not even first, I think second. And हमारे colleges खुल जाती थी. Guards would open the gates at 5:30. So we decided अब घर कौन जाएगा? हम सीधे कॉलेज पहुंच गए. And then we have entered the classrooms exactly like 3 Idiots. Last bench पे जाकर के AC rooms है. Last bench पे जाकर we're sleeping, not with the alcohol though.
That's the problem.
Nicely sleeping 7:30. Our lecturer comes and we're like, good morning.
Oh my god. This literally like
This is
living.
exactly like 3 Idiots, but that was quite an experience.
I mean, I'm actually very proud of you guys that you guys at least came back to class in spite of like, you know, going out around to Marine Drive and everything. I remember there was this one time I went out for a movie, okay, with my friends, same, in college. 3 or 4 of us, we went out for a movie. एंड लेट मूवी के लिए गए थे, शायद 8-9 बजे की मूवी होगी, तो 11-12 बजे तक खत्म हुई होगी. एंड नाउ वी लाइक वी डोंट वांट टू गो होम, ओके. एंड अमंग्स अस देयर वाज दिस वन फ्रेंड ऑफ आवर्स हु वाज सो डिफिकल्ट टू कन्विंस. उसका हमेशा ना मुंह पे ना तो यही रहता था जबान पे, ठीक है. हिज नेम इज ऋषभ. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, सो आई वाज ट्राइंग टू बुक माय कैब टू गो बैक होम, सो आई ओपनड ओला after the movie and I saw this strange option. It said Ola outstation. Okay, so Ola had just started their outstation cabs
at that time.
Yeah, and they were about like 2,500 rupees. And तो अब क्या, हम लोग घर जाने से पहले we were like let's get some ice cream or something, कुछ करते हैं, ठीक है. अभी घर जाने का मन नहीं है, कुछ आइसक्रीम खाते हैं. तो बिटवीन दैट मूवी खत्म होने के बाद का टाइम और वो आइसक्रीम के बीच में हमने डिसाइड कर लिया वी आर गोइंग टू लोनावला, वी आर टेकिंग दिस ओला आउट स्टेशन. अदर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, ओके, शुभम, ही सेड that we'll take this and we take this Ola out station and we'll go to Tiger Point in Lonavala and have Maggie because that was more interesting, okay. And now Rishabh's like, I'm not going and whatever, but somehow we convinced him. So he called his mom up and he's like, Mom, I'm going to this other male friend's place. Okay. And these guys living in Mumbai knew each other. The moms knew each other and everything. So it's like, so she knew he's safe. And he said, he convinced her. And then he's like, okay, now let's go. And now we're on our way to Lonavala. All right. And all of a sudden, I think Rishabh की mom को हुआ शक कि यार ये doesn't sound like Rishabh. क्योंकि वो तो हाँ बोलता नहीं. तो उसकी मम्मी ने कॉल घुमाया उसकी दूसरी वाली की मम्मी को कि अरे सुनना जरा, ऋषभ और शुभम आपके घर पे है क्या.
पर बताया होगा ना इन्होंने उनको, उसको
पता नहीं उन्होंने, पर मम्मी को नहीं बताया होगा ना, आंटी को नहीं बताया होगा. तो कॉल किया और आंटी कहती नहीं ऋषभ और शुभम यहाँ है ही नहीं. And now auntie has called Rishabh and we are halfway through Lonavala, okay. And Rishabh's like नहीं actually mom हम लोग सारे boys ना पार्टी कर रहे हैं किसी और के घर पे, इसलिए मैंने बताया नहीं. So somehow he again convinces his mom and this, and by now Rishabh's mom is called Shubham's mom also, and now everyone's angry, okay. And we are at Lonavala at Tiger Point having Maggie. And both of these boys are kind of stressed, Rishabh more than Shubham. And now they're like कि चल अब तो डांट पड़नी है, अब खत्म करके चलते हैं वापस. Now Rishabh's like we are going straight home, और कुछ नहीं, खत्म हो गई हमारा सारा, we are going straight home. We are now on the way back and सुबह होने वाली. Now अभी समझ लो 6 बज गए हैं, सुबह हो गई है. So now Rishabh is sleeping, okay. Rishabh is sleeping and we are up and Shubham's like अब डांट तो पड़नी ही है, एक काम करते हैं कैंटीज जाके ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं और फिर जाएंगे घर, ओके. एंड हमने बोला ऋषभ को नहीं बताएंगे बिकॉज वो हमें घर लेके जाएगा. तो वी हैव गॉन टू कैंडीज, वी हैव हैड आवर ब्रेकफास्ट, वी हैड अ कोल्ड कॉफी विद आइसक्रीम. और ऋषभ ऑब्वियसली उठ गया, ही इज एंग्री, बट उसको भी खिलाया पिलाया एंड नाउ वी हैव गॉन होम. मुझे तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई बिकॉज मेरे पेरेंट्स यहाँ नहीं रहते थे, बट उनका आई एम प्रीटी श्योर
अब पता चल जाएगा.
सो या, बट एट द टाइम बेसिकली द चलेबिलिटी फैक्टर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स यूज्ड टू बी हाई. Because अब मैं ऋषभ को बोलूंगी तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाएगा, बट उस टाइम वो फिर भी कन्विंस
हम सब कर लेते थे उस टाइम.
I know, just imagine we'll just stay out, not doing anything, just playing whatever, playing around.
Actually, the 2 of us still do that.
Yeah. But now we have added more things to our like night.
But dude, I can't imagine. So you guys have not gone to class and you've done this. How did you manage doing this? I'm sure it's not the only time you've done this. So how did you manage doing this with our 80% attendance?
Dude, barely managing. I remember my father used to get these mails when I used to be on 81, 82%. My father used to get these mails that she's like, she's lagging behind, like attendance like very close to the, cut off. And I would get calls from my father and like, अच्छा तो कहाँ हो अब पता लगेगा उनको मैं कहाँ like what we were doing but like so the thing is you'd miss some in the mornings and stuff like that.
I know. Dude,
So-
no, yeah, they used to be like. I used to feel that they would get this sadistic pleasure by putting this attendance pressure on all of us because they would lock the doors in 5 minutes. Some of the teachers didn't even like a few students. They would not let them enter only. 5 minutes हुए, 1 minute हुआ, class में नहीं हो पहले तो lock कर दिया.
What are you saying?
Attendance. Many of our friends I feel would have repeated because of attendance, man.
Dude, there's this friend of mine, because of this reason, he had to repeat twice, I think. Yeah.
Yeah,
And I think after that, he was just
yeah.
like, fuck it.
Right,
I'm not
correct.
doing
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
I'm not
exactly.
doing this.
In our batch also, they're repeating. And initially, we used to think, oh, repeat मतलब fail हुआ होगा. पता चलता था attendance की बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ
but-
fail से ज़्यादा लोग attendance की वजह से repeat करते हैं.
That is so brutal, isn't it?
Although I feel like I shouldn't complain about attendance because, being in all honesty, I walked out in my third year with a 45% attendance.
Oh my god, how the hell did you manage that?
I mean, thanks to my CR personality, all 3 years, for sure.
You were just
But I
like-
actually used the cultural president angle also.
Right.
Dean से पूरी बात करके कि हमारे colleges ने this time because in my presidency we got so many fest awards. So सब उसका लगाया था and I missed because of that also a lot. But then मैं बहुत बार सुबह भी उठती नहीं थी ठीक time पे and all of that happened. But I used all of that and plus I don't know.
I want
I would-
Samira K to watch this episode, you know?
Bro, she warned me. She warned me on the last, when she was letting me go, she was like, Shreya,
Yeah.
I'm letting you go with 45% attendance.
Oh,
But
no.
I'm warning you, you're not supposed to tell this to a soul.
And what have you done?
And that's exactly what I did right after I walked out of the office also.
But you know, there's one thing I have to say. Because we would come to college every day, I've made some of my bestest friends in the world that
I
I
agree.
still talk to, including you.
Exactly.
Including
I-
you.
I know.
Like, it's because
but
of college.
Yeah.
It's because we would meet each other every day. Like, even the people who lived in Mumbai,
Yeah.
like whose families were in Mumbai,
Yeah.
had to come to college.
Right.
Otherwise, ये Mumbai वालों के तो already
Yeah.
school के friends होते
हाँ,
ही
हाँ,
उनको आने
होते
की कोई
थे.
जरूरत नहीं थी.
Correct, हाँ.
But like, I am so grateful for. Actually, you know what? I'm actually very grateful for the attendance part of it.
That's actually true. Now that
Yeah.
you're saying it
No,
like that, it's
right?
all my close friends, all my best friends are college friends only.
Yeah.
School वालों से touch छूट गया है. It's only because we always had to struggle with the attendance, come to class. Everything that we've seen together all the time.
Yeah.
So I do thank you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Thank you, NMIMS. SVKM. SVKM.
SB
NMIM is deemed to be university.
अब हो जाना चाहिए भाई कितने साल तक चलेगा
कब तक deemed यार? अब तो हम लोग कितने गुजर भी गए आगे. Anyway, but you
Yeah.
know, that Katie story actually reminds me. My mom would hate this, but I'm gonna say it. I've gotten a couple of KTs in my first few semesters, okay? And there were a couple of my other friends who also were getting KTs at the same time as I was, and हम लोग के ना subjects भी same रहते थे कि जिसमें KT आई हम लोग के ऐसे similar चल रहा था उसमें शुभम भी था and there were like a few more friends of mine, okay?
Yeah.
And हम लोग का ना एक small सा group बन गया था of 3 to 4 people, right? And अब you know what used to happen was जब हमारे एग्जाम हो जाते थे like by the third semester, like हमारा एग्जाम जब हो गया we would come out and instead of asking, this is usually लोग पूछते हैं कि how was your paper and कैसा था, हम लोग एक दूसरे के पास जाते थे and used to just be like, Katie? I know it's nothing to be proud of, but yeah, like that became a thing. So you know, that was another thing that kind of bonded
Special.
us.
You
Was
guys met
special,
later for it,
yes.
studying
Like
for it.
even now, those people are very special to me because I went through my hard times with those people.
Thanks to your Katie, I met you. वरना तू रहती नहीं ना hostel में.
That's right, because you came during like the summer vacation
yes,
time.
just to check everything. Huh?
Yeah.
And there was one girl filling water.
Yeah, and was there a kurti or something? Yeah, I remember you told me.
God, Katie's, yeah, dude. हमारे तो मतलब I'm not trying to boast or anything, but I never got a Katie. None of my friends got a Katie. We don't think we're nerds, but I don't know how you want to perceive it as. And this one time, one friend of ours got convinced. So we all used to study in a group. हमारे फ्रेंड के बहुत बड़े अपार्टमेंट्स में वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी इन अ ग्रुप, सो देयर वर 6 बॉयज हु स्टडीड विद अस एंड ये सारे एक साथ ना केटी वाले लोग थे. तो इन्होंने इस बेचारी को इसको कन्विंस कर दिया उस पेपर के लिए कि मत दे, हम सब दे रहे, हम साथ में आ जाएंगे, तू भी हमारे साथ दे देना केटी नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Yeah.
So she's come to us and she's like, bro, these guys are saying that we should give KT because the paper will be tough and all, and मैं आ जाऊंगी बाद में और अब मैं कल नहीं दे रही. हमने चुपचाप बैठा साइड में.
Oh my god.
हमने उसे बैठाया, वो बैठी हुई है and for the longest time she's sitting and so we were studying on the dining table and वो वहाँ हॉल में हमने गद्दा लगा हुआ था, वहाँ बैठी हुई है and she kept her table and she was studying. So after some time we're looking at her and she's looking up at the wall. The TV is also not on. She's looking up at the wall and she's हमें लगा दर्शील सफारी आत्मा आ गई ऐसे ईनू जैसे.
She's like praying.
No, I know what she's calculating. She's like, क्या कर रही है bro? She's like, यार जो किया है मुझे लगता है वो भी नहीं याद रहेगा. मानो ये 6 घंटे हो जाएगी पढ़ाई. नेक्स्ट डे एग्जाम हमने जबरदस्ती उसको दिलवाया. थैंक यू गाइस, पेपर ज़्यादा इजी था, हो गया मेरा, अब केटी के लिए नहीं आना है. दैट्स हाउ वी यूज्ड टू स्टे आवर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम केटी.
Oh my god. Dude, हम लोग तो पता नहीं पढ़ते ही नहीं थे, I think till the end. And जब मेरी केटी आनी बंद भी हो गई थी, तब भी I remember I would go to my friend's place like the same, okay,
Yeah.
you know, just के last के कुछ घंटे you study.
Yeah.
And I remember there was this one time हम लोगों ने बैठे, हम लोग around like 11-12 o'clock और अचानक से ना टीवी पे आ रही है गुलाब गैंग. एंड वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि हम पहले पूरी गुलाब गैंग देखेंगे, उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे कि अब हमारा नेक्स्ट एग्जाम क्या है.
सो आई रिमेंबर हमारा एग्जाम है अब नेक्स्ट टुमारो एंड मैं सो रही हूँ कॉलेज के बाद पूरी रात एंड देन 12 o'clock श्रेया,
द अदर श्रेया.
for context, I'm not talking about myself in third person. My best friend's name is also Shreya.
Nerd check.
But we never, same name people never like each other. So it was very surprising that we did. So yeah.
That's nice. Like, but you were both nice Shreyas.
Thank you.
I
You
approve.
you loved us both.
I approve, yes.
Yeah. So Shreya Sakhuja. So she's called me at 12. Bro, पढ़ाई कब शुरू करनी है? मैं उठी हूँ उस टाइम रात बजे कि हाँ मैं 1 बजे तक आती हूँ तब पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं. And what we used to do, I think it was just outstanding the way we used to study. हम 2 बजे हमने शुरू किए, 2-3 बजे शुरू किए, 8 o'clock एग्जाम है and we have divided the whole syllabus. We like आधा है तू पढ़, आधा मैं पढ़ती हूँ and हम बस आधा पढ़ रहे syllabus कि end में we've studied that much. 4 hours we've studied and last में when we're getting ready and leaving an auto तक last के half an hour में हमने एक दूसरे को वो आधा समझा दिया है बस. And how we would explain, I feel this is the funniest thing ever because we are studying things like valuation, financial marketing. These were the heavy subjects and we would explain it as यार तू इस word को ना, ये stock को तू रामू समझ ले, इसकी बीवी है ये इसका तो ये समझ ले, तो इसने इसकी बंदी को नहीं पूछा, ये किसी और से पूछा. दिस वॉज आवर स्टोरी टेलिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑल दोज लिंगोज एंड हमने ऐसे पढ़ के वी वुड समटाइम्स गेट मोर मार्क्स देन आवर टॉप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स.
You know, those grace marks or whatever, like sometimes when you're just trying to make it or when you मिलते हैं marks, it's because someone's explained it to you rather than when you've studied.
That's true.
Because I think that stays more with
That's
your,
true.
like, you know, I think it's visual.
टीचर की बात कौन सुनता है?
Exactly.
Someone explaining
You
it
the
to you.
don't say. You the don't say. Okay, you are the class representative. You are like the third teacher with like all the other teachers taking like whatever. Like
I
you know,
used to have
notes.
all the notes, but only to distribute it and help everyone. That's it.
Yeah, but first me.
I had to get it, dude. Class rep, क्या करूँ?
Yeah, so पहले सबके notes लेके
हाँ, सबके नोट, सबके प्रोजेक्ट्स मेरे पास आते थे, मैं चेक करती थी, अपने करेक्ट करती थी और फिर भेजती थी सबको.
but smart work only ना. That's
एग्जैक्टली
smart
या
work.
लाइक क्यों करना काम, अब सब करके ही दे रहे ऑप्शंस, तो मैं
Exactly.
उसमें से निकाल के सब ठीक करूँ.
Shall thug life. But like, you know, you guys used to study whatever 4, 5, 6 hours, but we were the real risk takers because us KT people, we used to study when no one else was studying during the summer vacations. So we have cut down on our vacation. We're like, now we're going to study. Because, yeah. And I think
Yeah.
कि you need guts to get a KT.
Yeah,
ऐसा नहीं है.
very nice way of promoting it, very
Yeah,
nice.
I mean, because you know, whenever I would ask my friends कि यार तेरी कैसी, because you know there are some people you expect कि इनकी केटी आएगी और उनकी नहीं आती है, ऐसे भी होते हैं.
हाँ.
तो you would ask them यार तेरी कैसे नहीं आई, like you're like मेरी तो इसकी कैसे नहीं आई, ये कौन है बंदा, you know I know this person. So he's like कि यार मेरी इसलिए नहीं आई क्योंकि अगर मेरी आ जाती ना मैं तो definitely fail हो जाता या fail हो जाती like for the main thing, you know, the
हाँ,
KT thing.
yeah, that's true.
So yeah.
एंड कुछ वैसे लोग होते थे, माय फ्रेंड हर समय बोलता था ब्रो कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, ब्रो कुछ नहीं पढ़ा,
Oh,
सबसे ज्यादा
one
मार्क्स
of
लेकर आए, one of
those.
those, we hated those
Yeah.
people.
Like why lie?
Dude, always it's so bad. Dude, नहीं, I swear मेरी तबीयत खराब होगी, मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, कुछ नहीं पढ़ने के बाद तुम्हारे 3.7 पता नहीं क्या क्या 3.6 3.7 GPA आ रही है, तो प्लीज
Yeah, तुम पढ़ के आए हो, ठीक है?
These people.
झूठ तो मत
Yeah.
बोलो, ठीक है? You know who you are.
we all used to have this one drink. I used to have Red Bull at that time for studying.
Dude, तब से ही मुझे आदत लगी है ब्लैक कॉफी पीने की. उससे पहले I never used to have black coffee.
अभी भी जैसे कॉफी कप में I'm drinking Coke.
Yeah. Till the time it's black.
Yeah.
Once you go black, you never go back.
Nice one.
Because you end up in a wheelchair.
What? What? I don't think that makes any sense, but okay. For
I
the
don't-
ones who understood that,
She understood
I'm judging you.
She understood it now.
Got our promo.
We got our promo. Perfect. My boyfriend would love this.
You just cannot match Delhi's food. So, hands down, I'm sorry.
Mumbai.
Mumbai, but Delhi is winning. And I don't know why I feel like being honest right now. I don't like vada pav. I'm so sorry. Don't hate me. I suddenly feel like I need to be
Not
honest.
even with ghee chutneys, like
What
both
is
the
that?
chutneys.
Nahi, nahi. I
Not
tried
even with
it.
like hari chutney. And
Dude, our opposite our college, we used to get the best vada pavs, but I hated it. But
never
everybody
had-
loved it.
But yeah, that Dheeraj fast
Yeah.
food.
Pizza dosas,
Yeah.
all kind of dosas.
What kind of dosas were those? Pizza dosa, genie dosa, Szechuan cheese dosa.
Cheese dosa.
We only knew masala dosa max.
हाँ, exactly.
But like after coming to Bombay, you're
Yeah.
like,
Pineapple dosa भी मिलता था.
Ah.
Pineapple cheese dosa.
Have
I
you
know-
had?
No, 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 no. I'm
Thank
saying-
God.
But they so many dosa. धीरज वाले अच्छे थे वो.
Yeah.
He only made me love spicy food. I was like, let me start loving spicy food because of all the spices in the dosas. वही खाती रहती थी पूरे time after
wow.
college.
उससे पहले नहीं खाती थी तू?
No, I never used to eat spice. I don't know, somehow in our family everybody eats spicy food, but like I
You're not into
didn't like it in Delhi. But until Dheeraj came into my life.
Dheeraj opened up your horizons, huh? And remember, there was this one time there used to be a cult for like the J fries, the J's.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Bang opposite. I think we used to walk J. तूने J की fries खाया? Have you eaten the J fry? I think that they're still.
And everybody would obsess over it, and they were just full of like cheese.
Cheese
I
and the
would not even touch
sauces.
it. You know,
Yeah,
like
I don't
now
like it.
you wouldn't probably want to eat it, but at the
Yeah.
time you were like, the J's. Like yeah, it became like a trend.
Yeah.
You know. So have you ever had any more than cheesy? Like have you ever had a cheeky experience?
With fries?
Not with fries, with anyone in college, maybe with boys or.
Cheeky, dude. I think I'm the wrong person to ask it because I have done so many things that people have laughed at me. My friends have laughed at me. I mean, I don't understand how I used to be so unbothered, unaware, and like Shreya in her own zone.
Some Shreya from college.
Shreya from college was a different person altogether. I have had these moments. Okay, so this was again the same study group. We were all studying and all. And this one time, this guy decides to drop me till my house, which is 1.5 kilometers away. मैं नीचे आई हूँ, ऑटो लिए, बॉम्बे सेफ है, हमने ऑटो लिए नीचे, and I'm like, okay, cool, now I'll go. He came down, I'm like, okay, cool, maybe he's being sweet. And he said, I'll sit with you and I'll drop you till your house. I'm like, oh, you really don't have to, but it's okay, whatever, it's fine. So then he came, he dropped me, and then on this 2-minute way, he's telling me that I really enjoy, really enjoy studying with you, this and that. He's given me 5-6 compliments and all of that. Yeah, and we don't study together. We were like 12 people studying together. So whatever, but it was very nice. He was complimenting me that it's very nice. It's so much fun, and I really like you. And it's so then, and then I'm like, okay. So all this happened. I have come back the next day and my friends have asked me naturally that, dude, what happened? Like he came, I said, he came to drop you, and I said, Yeah, it was so nice. I don't know why he was just constantly complimenting me, which was so sweet of him to do. And they were like, "What did he say? Complimenting, matlab?" So then I told them the whole thing that he's telling me that I'm sweet, I'm nice, he likes me, this and that. He's like, "Hold on." He said he likes you. I said, "Yeah." I said, "Thank you."
She said thank you.
Because when he said, "I like you," and I was thinking that's so sweet. He likes me as a human being. It's so sweet, like, so for somebody to tell you that they like you as a person,
My goodness.
who you are, and I felt so touched. And I'm like, "Thank you so much. That means so much to me."
Oh my goodness. How did you not get it? Like, can't you understand in body language? Like, oh,
भाई बाद में उसे मुझे ना वो बोलना पड़ा, ऐसे वो कहते हैं ना स्पष्ट शब्दों में बोलना पड़ा कि श्रेया, I want to go out with you. Then I was like, "Oh no, I'm not interested." But I would only understand when you tell me that exactly.
but how are you like so oblivious कि पता ही नहीं लगा?
उससे पता नहीं क्यों, maybe I was never in that, dude, that was my very nerdy era. I was somehow just not interested in
Right.
boys. Plus, I'd never know such nice boys in our batch also. Like, I'm sorry, but
Maybe,
yeah.
maybe you did not, you were just like, did not expect it, like you just thought,
I'm like saying, "Thank you."
thank you, my god.
तब मुझे समझ आया like you का मतलब ये होता है
अगर अब ये
अभी।
फिर से सुनेगा बंदा, he'll just be like, एक बार दर्द हुआ था, ये बार बार क्यों दे रही है? Like, why? But that's-
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have you had any cheeky experience?
Cheeky, yes, I have actually. I remember there was this one guy I was dating on and off. Like, it wasn't like a big thing, but it was on and off. And after a point, I was just like, yaar, it's too much. Like, it's too on and off. I mean, kitna, right? So I broke up with this guy, and probably that didn't sit well with him or whatever. And what he did was, literally the next day, he's gone and asked out my best friend. I mean, who the hell does that? Okay. And clearly, he got his way because I still remember this shit. Okay. So, whatever, this happened. And recently, I find out that this guy is now pansexual.
Explains.
It matches the description,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like, now I get it.
Dude, going the next day to your best
I
friend.
know. That's crazy, isn't it? But I mean, the thing is, like,
Yeah.
obviously, I knew my best friend, like, wouldn't. But
That's not even the
But that's not the
concern.
point.
Yeah,
the
that's not
point
the
is
point.
like, how can you? Like, that's what I'm saying, just to either spite me or maybe just the way it is. That's why he's pansexual.
Like, I don't know if this is below the belt or not, but in my knowledge, I felt like it was really bad. Because this one time, this is my third year now. It's not even like I've just entered college. You remember we had all those, I was applying to become the cultural president, and then after I became, so there's this one guy who really helped me out with the whole process. He was just guiding me about the club and everything and how to go about it. So he met me this one time just to congratulate me. He made me this phone cover, जिसमें cultural president लिखा था and my name, which was very sweet. So he gave me that, and then we were just having coffee after I won and all of. After I got selected and all of that. And so he gave me that. He gave me a card, and he said that, you know what? It was inside an envelope. So he said, you know what? Read it later. It's just very like. It's been a nice experience. I said, that's so sweet, thank you, and that's it. So I've gone back home, and that's about it. The next day he met me, and in college, and he's like, "Oh, did you read it?" And I was like, I hadn't. So I'm like, yeah, it's so. So I took it out. I took out the whole letter, and I have read the first paragraph, and this is 2 pages, front and back.
Front and back.
And I've read the first paragraph, and I'm like, or 1 page front and back. भाई उससे इतनी मेहनत लगती थी मुझे वो भी पढ़ने में. 1 page front and back, and I've read the first paragraph. It's very sweet. He's just complimented my work ethic and all of that. So I thought, बाकी भी यही होगा. और मैंने पढ़ा नहीं बाकी. And when I told him, it was so sweet of you to handwrite something like that and give it to me in the red colored paper.
gosh,
which
yeah. You're embarrassing.
It didn't strike me. So I said, thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. It was really, really sweet. And beautifully written, all of that. And his response was very awkward. He's like, oh, okay. And then he left. like, कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है. After college, I went back home. I read the whole thing. He had asked me out in the last line. He's like, I really like you. I really want to go out with you. And then I'm like, oh shit. I said, thank you so much. It was beautifully written.
You know, that's what a ghoster does. Circling it back to that point. And then you say, it's just not replying. That's what the ghoster does.
Thanks to my
It's a
mom.
pattern.
Not that. No. Could be, you never know.
Yeah. Why won't you read the letter? At least I'll be inquisitive कि क्या लिखा है आगे देखती हूँ मैं.
यार वो बहुत बोलता था तो मुझे लगा यही
वैसे मुझे याद है वो
repeat.
बंदा.
हाँ. Then I used to share everything with my mom. So my mom scolded me. She said go back and say sorry to him. She's like somebody's pouring your heart. अब तो बात हो गई मैं वापस क्यों जाऊँ उसके सामने.
Yeah,
मैं
mom,
वापस.
it's embarrassing.
Like I go and say I'm so sorry I didn't read your letter.
Yeah.
And then I'm so sorry. She's like no, it's not nice. He's expressed. He's told you his feelings. You have to go back and apologize. So I went back the next day. I said sorry.
I think it was the right thing to do.
It was
right.
It was really the right thing to do because
Yeah.
that made me realize that it takes a lot for somebody to ask you out. For
Yeah.
boys also, I feel it's tough to
Yeah.
ask out a girl or just express their feelings, and I feel like you should be considerate of that.
So see, that was nice. You
That
learned
was nice.
something.
I learned
But tell me, I have a serious question. Tell me, after these incidents,
Yeah.
you started understanding that people like you when they like you.
I think after college I started understanding. Yeah, because these are not just the two. I had many such and मुझे बहुत टाइम बाद समझ आता था. मुझे friends बताते थे, you've ghosted this person, you've not replied to this person. I'm like, हम तो दोस्त थे, इसमें क्या सोचने की बात?
Now I get it. You know, you actually sound very similar to that friend of mine who attracts a lot of creep magnets.
But I don't attract any. I don't. Actually,
You don't know.
I
you
dodge
don't-
them.
You don't understand only what they're saying. You're like, whoop! I'm like, I don't even know. So, you know, in spite of being so unserious in college, we were so serious about like cultural events and like
yes.
cultural activities.
Yes, for sure.
Especially like we were in fashion, the
Yeah.
fashion committee together, which was a blast.
I think that was the highlight of our college. I remember the first day of orientation when the teachers left and then we're all sitting and you guys have entered with so much enthusiasm. Sab dance kar rahe halla or somebody sent up with some music box and I don't know what not, and you all are introducing YU, our fest which we used to have now also YU.
Yeah.
So YU and Montage where I saw you. I'm like, ek second, I know this girl.
I changed your life, didn't I?
I'm getting into fashion, 100%. I'm getting into fashion.
Is it because you saw me and I looked absolutely gorgeous?
Yes, that is exactly what it was since day one. Like, this is the
So
girl.
am I the kind of person you were looking for in college
Exactly.
and you
That's
didn't
why
get?
I was rejecting all the boys.
Yes, we
this is the
finally
real
solved the
thing.
problem.
Yes, I was like, you're not understanding. My HOD is in my heart. How can I say yes to your boys?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's like all jokes aside, like that was such a big part of our lives. Like, you know,
I think it's that. If we weren't in fashion together, we wouldn't have been here together.
yeah,
It's
I
just
mean, it
that,
has.
yeah.
It was because of fashion that we even became
Yeah.
friends. And for fashion, we used to go for all those, you know, competitions and stuff, and we would always win. But I remember when we would go to Pune for Symbiosis, like for their fest, that used to be like the highlight of a year. And that was some of like the best times we've ever had. And
I think we all got very close during that time.
yeah, and I remember we used to sleep in one room, like we were like 8-9 people, and we were like would be in one room, like
Yeah,
चार
easily
लोग bed पे हैं,
8 to
5 लोग
10.
नीचे हैं, you know, like it used to be, yeah, we were a lot of people.
Cost
and-
cutting and bonding. So I remember during that time, हमारे ना we used to, for all these fests, we would have these fashion practices हमारी होती थी after college in those corridors. So one or two times I would just think कि यार I used to have a lot of guy friends. So मेरे सारे के सारे दोस्त one day they'll just one fine day when they've realized that I go for these fashion practices, they're like कि अरे श्रेया तेरी कॉलेज के बाद हो रही प्रैक्टिस, चल हम तुझे ड्रॉप कर देंगे, हम थोड़ी देर चिल करते हैं, हम भी आके देख लेंगे and then you can come with us. And you know, when you're from Delhi, you feel like that's normal because everybody will drop you.
Yeah.
Little do you realize that this is Bombay and that's not their agenda. And they are coming there to watch you.
Me?
You, Aishwarya, तुम लोगों को बोलते कि भाई तुम्हारी फैशन की जब प्रैक्टिस की हम तभी आएंगे, हमारी सीनियर है, hot C senior, we only have to see her.
You know, that's what it is. Like, you've told me this before, like,
Yeah.
you know, like that your batchmates were into us. I get the whole senior part,
Huh.
but I seriously, like, you know, when I look at my pictures, like, look back at my pictures, I realize, why?
Sonal, please.
I mean, I get
You
it.
were looking nice.
Yeah, but like, I had braces and everything, यार. ऐसा तो
लड़कों
नहीं
को वो
था.
कहाँ दिखता है?
हाँ, मैं वैसे actually ऐसे करके बात कर रही थी.
फिर से कर एक बार, फिर से कर.
ऐसे करके बात कर रही थी.
क्या?
ऐसे करके, ऐसे.
I'm just trying to make your case.
बहुत केस मिल गया. Okay.
So, but yeah.
Stuff. And I remember we even used to host marathons and stuff. Like, I was in this club called SRF, Social
Yeah.
Responsibility Forum, I think. And we used to host marathons at bandstands. And now I think about it, I'm like, कैसे किया यार, मुझे तो याद भी नहीं. But somehow, you know, like,
इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से आ रही थी?
कहाँ से आ रही थी?
In that, in those marathon, I remember that was the first time I had to eat a chili just to move on.
Really?
Yeah.
Does that like shock your body to run or something?
I know that was your rule.
I mean, I really don't remember. And at the time, I didn't even run.
हमने बीच में से शॉर्ट कर लेके पहुंच गए थे हम कॉलेज. हमने कहा हमें नहीं चाहिए.
I think that's the way to do
Yeah.
it. जो जिनको seriously करना है वो ये तो
वो
कर
कर ले
लेंगे.
हाँ. So I remember हम orientation के बाद की बात है. So right after orientation ना we were all settling down in our hostels and on our top floor these some new girls were shifting in. So we thought okay चलो आज let's just go up and say hi to these girls because we also want to make friends in our hostel. So then we've gone up and these girls have opened their door right above us. We went and we knocked and they've opened up their doors in some fear. And they looked at us like that and we're like, hi, is everything okay? And they're like, yeah, hi, I'm so and so. अपना नाम खुद बताने लग गए कि I'm so and so and so and so. And तब मुझे समझ आया कि एक second, I feel like they think we're seniors.
Oh no. Oh my
So
God.
instead of correcting them, I thought let's prank them.
Oh my God. Only you could think of it. Only you could do it.
नहीं अब मौका है तुम क्यों नहीं मजे ले. And so then we asked them, so are you thinking of getting into any clubs? So they mentioned, me and my friend, we were two of us. So they mentioned, yeah, we like SRF and Montage is really nice. So these girls have mentioned Montage. And Montage, for context, is our cultural society's name. So they mentioned Montage and we were like, okay, cool. What do you do? Like, what skills do you have if you want to join Montage? What are your talents? So one is like, I can dance, I can sing, I can act and everything. I'm like, oh, that's amazing. We're questioning them. They haven't asked our names abhi tak.
Oh my God.
So then I say, so do you guys know who you're talking to? No. She's the head of Montage and I'm the head of SRF. They're like, oh my God. And so we're like, so I mean, if you want, because we're in the same hostel, if you want for us to get you in, you know, so if you can just show us your talents here. तो हमने नचवाया एक से, गवाया एक से, एक ने बोला acting क्या poem सुना.
Poems. Acting नहीं आती, poems सुना.
वो पोएम सुना रही है. ओके गुड जॉब गाइस. हम नीचे चले गए. उनको तब तक कुछ समझ नहीं आया. 2 दिन बाद there's some montage at I don't know which clubs this whole meeting was going on and I am sitting with these first years and over there I see one of those girls and she looks at me
Shit.
and she's looking at me that I'm sitting with one of the first years. So I'm like, हो गया montage में.
Oh my goodness. Dude, you're evil. You're evil. Poor girls, yeah. Poor girls.
मेरी गलती भाई इतना
But
डरने की
actually
क्या जरूरत
बेवकूफ
है.
थी.
बेवकूफ भाई.
बेवकूफ थी.
नेक्स्ट डे दे वर ट्राइंग टू प्रैंक अस कि हमने बता दिया है डीन को, हमने बता दिया, हम कॉल आएगा पेरेंट्स से. ठीक है देख लेंगे.
I didn't know you could like really, you know, prank people like that. In your first day, I thought you were such an innocent, like, goody two shoes.
Is that why you did not make me the HOD?
Yeah, अगर तू मुझे prank वाली story पहले बताती तो तेरे को सीधा ही cultural head बनाते हम.
I
Because
swear,
that
dude.
needs some extra thinking.
वो मैं I never used to show it. You say this
Yeah.
ना, I'm that delinquent. What?
Class monitor.
Class monitor. Yes.
Delinquent class monitor. That you are. That's like the perfect like phrase for you. Like not everyone knows, but you
Yeah.
are. But you are. So yeah.
Dude, that actually not making me HOD actually like brought this character in me.
Yeah, that was your villain origin story. You know, not villain, but like it was
Yeah,
your origin story.
yeah,
You know,
yeah.
you were like, अच्छा नहीं बनाया. Now let
अब
me
मैं
show
सीधे
them
head
all.
बनते गया third year में
सीधा
बस.
top पे.
Yeah.
But that's good. You know, those are the things that you learn from.
I feel at that age, उस time you don't realize, but that age, that felt like the biggest failure of my life. मैं beach पे जाके रो रही हूँ, and all of that has happened. Sonal didn't make me the
Shit,
HOD. I hate the new HOD, Nishant.
Don't look at me. See, I was not the only one selecting.
I know.
Yeah.
But then I
also,
think
you know,
it kind of helped me.
yeah, but you know, I think at the time it also made you realize that people see me as someone who cannot probably handle those things. So you knew that you need to show your
Yeah.
right self.
Because I'm very nice when you're nice to me, and I would for no reason not show that I
Yeah.
can be hard and strict and all of that.
Yeah.
जरूरत ही नहीं है. But then I
Yeah.
realized that you need to show that personality. Like these pranks, मैं
Yeah.
किसी को openly नहीं बताऊंगी.
I was
Like this
also-
is a side of me, but
I've got to know this now. When you know we started discussing these things, I was like, okay, acha, oh wow, yeah, like you could do that. I mean, I already know that part of your personality.
Now you know. Yeah.
But ये story मुझे अभी पता
I know.
नहीं।
Yeah. This was first day of college कर रही हूँ
Soch,
मैं.
exactly. So you always had that knack
Yeah.
in you कि जाके लोगों की लेते हैं.
So I remember this is my signing off day, and right after at the end of college, I have gone on and told the whole committee that please I am not sitting for my placements because I love talent, man. I love creativity. I love
Yeah.
talent. And if you really can go for it, please just follow your passion as till wherever you can. नहीं हो पा रहा बैकअप प्लान रखो, हमने भी रखे हैं, सब हमने नहीं रखे वैसे बोलने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. But
I'm still looking for my backup plan. Where
I
is it?
swear. So
Where is this podcast is?
कभी नहीं बनने वाला कोई बैकअप प्लान. This is our plan.
This is the plan.
So this is exactly what I said, that if you want to be a musician, a dancer, a singer, guitarist, whatever, like an actor, please try. Do not think, I know our parents and we're not from those backgrounds that, you know, it allows us. But I don't know, I'm so glad that I was so unserious and unbothered at the time that I took my life so lightly. I never took myself seriously, and I thank God when I told all the whole crowd that please don't, I'm not sitting for placements, don't follow me exactly, but like give your passion a shot and like follow your dreams. And thank God I did, because they would have been like ज्ञान दे के चली गई, कुछ किया तो नहीं life में.
But you know, not just like apart from us, like Anuv Jain was from our college, and he used to be the music committee head. When I was in my first
He was
year.
in my third year.
Yeah. And he was, and you know, like back then he was like, okay, yeah, Anuv, music committee head, whatever. After a few years, 10 years later, you see Anuvs everywhere. And like, even then he had this beautiful voice.
Yeah.
And, you know, and you're like, okay, हम business management college में, कौन, कोई कहाँ, like, who's going to become something or anything or even try. But he did, and even he, you know, his talent was actually recognized.
Yeah.
Which is just so beautiful to see unfold, isn't it?
Yeah. So we all had that thing in us कि their talent wins. Like talent is the king.
Like you said, like we didn't sit for our placements, and you know, and that the main question during placements was, college placements was, what is your 5-year plan? And I don't understand how to even answer that question even yet. क्योंकि पहली बात तो मैंने 5-year plan बनाया ही नहीं है. We always go with the flow. Like, you know, I don't know if it's a good thing, bad thing, whatever. I think we'll find out eventually. But like, if you make the 5-year plan, या तो you'll not be able to finish it and you'll be disappointed, or you'll be able to finish it and you'll be like, you know, what's next? And अगर बीच में कुछ interesting आ गया तो क्या?
Exactly. This happened with me. What's next happened with me after Miss India. My full life plan was कि चलो Miss India करेंगे. I won, and I'm like, oh, what next? I don't know what to do. But till date, I haven't decided. My life is only like, let's play it by ear.
Let's play with our lives. Let's play by ear. Let's play with our lives.
If I really want to do something, I think I'll only do that. मैं तो सफाई भी ना करूँ अगर नहीं मन किया तो. But I'm like an OCD freak, so I would never do that.
But मन करना चाहिए.
Yeah, it's always the heart. Like I know it's a very risky place. I know it's very risky in life to not listen to your heart all the time. But if you can, please do that, because that's what makes you happy, man. Yeah. I feel like that's why, you know, I always go with the flow. Like my life is like, let's go with the flow, like bunny. अब तुम्हें बनी की लाइफ जीनी है घिसी पिटी?
यार हमने तो बनी की लाइफ चूज किया है, फिर हमारी जिंदगी की घिसी पिटी है. We are still going with the flow.
I think we're a mix.
Yeah.
That's why we're lost
Lost
sisters.
sisters.
So this was our college life, and we love to share all our college stories with you here.
And if you found any of this relatable, or if you have some interesting stories of your own college life, please share it with us because we would love to read them and hear more about it. Let's finish off this episode
By saying thanks to NMIMS.
by our national anthem. Not national anthem. Let's finish this episode with our college anthem.
Yes. I'm sorry to all our NMIMS friends.
They'll be very happy actually. So let's hit it.
Each one is